Hello. Yes, now we're on. All right, now we're cooking with gas. Hello, good afternoon, good afternoon, and from the article Jamaican then, good afternoon. Welcome to another exciting episode of Jam and Tell with Crazy Julie Mango.
Karen Mackey.
And we're here today to bring you the latest news and views from the Jamaican Star and all things gossip. And we are inviting your comments, your feedback. So go tune in on Facebook Live, right?
Yes.
And send on a question them, on the comments. And we want to hear from all of you know.
Oh, no. Wake up at 1 o'clock. On a belly supposed to full.
No, wait.
I'm ready for chat.
Look how long sun about down country. On the sports out of the bed already, man. So, while we get set up here, we set up, we ready?
Yeah, man, we're ready. We're live. We're on it for serious.
Jesus.
And I pretend, may I pretend?
Now, let me behave myself. No, that's not, never ever gonna happen. It may happen when me a picnic and it can't happen now. So, tell you what, we're gonna just start the things.
Talk.
Yes.
We're ready for talk.
We're ready for
It's
talk.
been a week.
Lord Jesus.
My mouth rested. I'm ready.
Yes. Ready, set, bolt.
Enough
All right.
things are going.
Which one we're gonna start with now? We're
The
gonna start with dear
cousin.
Pastor. Lord Jesus.
The cousin.
Yes.
And for Novelet, last week, you're writing and you say, the first thing turned me off. I'm going to ask if you're writing and send me something what you want to talk about. So you can still do that if
Don't
you
let
want.
Maris, are you that enough?
Novelet Morris,
Yes.
that's right. You see, me
right.
remember, so I pay attention to you and the name I want to come from. So make sure you to put that in one in a type.
All right, so we're gonna start right now with Dear Pastor, and me have to roll up my mouth when we're reading them, because that's Jamaican I come from. All right, so Dear Pastor, I'm a regular reader of your column. In March, I will be 20. I am having a problem. I have a boyfriend who's helping me. My mother died when I was 13. Hush. My father has not remarried. I'm living with him along with my only brother and a cousin who's the same age as I am. My father said that he's not going to remarry until my younger brother is finished with his college degree. I'm in college. Why, she long-winded. My cousin, I give the whole bill and receipt. My cousin who is living with us is not ambitious. She's taken up with fashion. My father is helping her, and he told her to try to go back to school. All she talks about is finding a rich man. Then what's wrong with that, cousin? She is attractive, so she relies on that. I want let me start editorializing. My father is not against me having a boyfriend. I should think not, you're 19. Anyway, he told me that I should not bring any shame on him, so I should know what I am doing. I know two women who love my father. What's up? Anyway, who love my father, but he told us that he is not interested in any of them.
You should talk too much. You know.
Too much. She fit up on jam and tell. when mother died, she was my side, so sometimes I even wear her clothes. One day my father saw me in a dress my mother wore twice, and he cried. He had bought her that dress for her birthday. My father is a good Christian, and he is respected in his church. My cousin lied to my boyfriend about me. She told him that I'm cheating on him. Oh, Jesus. She asked him for stuff, and he sent them to her through another girl. When I saw her with the things, I asked her where she got them from, and she told me she got it from another guy who had given it to large long-winded.
Yeah, man, cut it short.
Cut it short,
Just
cut it short.
jump to the part where
Yes.
this cousin had.
Yes. So this girl is doing everything, this girl meaning her cousin, to take my boyfriend away from me. I found out that she sent half-nude pictures of herself to my boyfriend and pictures in her two-piece bathing suit. Lord Jesus. And the thing is, Pastor, when my boyfriend sends me money, I always give her some of it. Now, that might be the reason why she's trying to take him away from me. You know what, what could it pass that? Because she attack all kind of something.
Yeah,
Without getting
just-
to the point.
Yeah.
In essence, she thinks that the boy, the cousin got thief our boyfriend, thief our
Well,
man. So
it's,
pastor,
it look like that to me. All
Yes.
forensic files and everything point to the cousin.
want thief the man. Or is it tech man? Anyway, dear CP, it goes without saying that your cousin likes your boyfriend and is prepared to do just about anything to cause him to become interested in her and abandon you. She's an empty-headed girl, and that is why she feels that this man would be very impressed by her half-nakedness. If she has all these good looks, she should not try to take away your man. She should find another man on her own. But let me tell you, please understand that this is not just a man that she needs. Jesus. What she's seeking is a man who can give her lots of money. So that this is one reason why she has turned to your boyfriend. I hate to say that your man is not even using common sense. He should have contacted you and he should have told you what this girl is doing. It appears that he believes what she has said, and if given the opportunity, he would go to bed with her. I would not suggest that you tell your father what you have found out that she's doing, but warn this girl that you would see to it that your father kicks her out if she doesn't desist from lying to your boyfriend. You should tell your boyfriend, decide whether he wants you or her.
Jesus.
But
Decisions.
You don't have nothing to shame her. But pastor, I have a problem with the pastor. Seems like me always have a
You have a problem with the pastor?
Yes. Because pastor is so very judgmental. You're not supposed to leave judgment to God. We are called woman empty-headed pastor.
Well, she says she can't, and me don't want to make stuff up, but she says she's not very bright, right? Now that the cousin say. She not smart. She want a rich man. She not ambitious. She is taken up with fashion. She lucky she not take up with the father.
She work her way up.
She work, but me say she not house and all these things going on. It's just a matter of time because, as she said, the father have two women and him not get married until the young boy graduate. And she in the house, so.
Well on there. Go on. Technical difficulties. Go on. All right, go on.
That's what me I say. She lucky say she not take up with the father.
Johnny, you can't hear me now?
So wait, so what else she for do? Pastor says she not smart, the cousin says she not smart, and the cousin stupid enough to tell her everything what the man do for her. And I brag about the boyfriend.
But let me tell you something. If this is the problem we have with women in general, and in particular Jamaican women. If the boyfriend want the cousin, your problem is not with the cousin. Your
The
problem
problem
is
was the
the
man.
boyfriend.
Right. I agree with that.
Yeah.
But if the woman talk too much, if you tell her about your man and your man send you money and your man send you things and all of that, first of all, how she get the man phone number? How she have her man phone number?
She's a very enterprising.
Why only give on a friend them on a man phone number?
So
No,
they
if
can't
him,
call. Why else would you do that? So they can't call.
but that means say you ask for trouble.
No man, she confident, man. she confident.
Confident into her man, and that he's not going to find her attractive, and want to do something on the side. If them not have no problem with that.
Listen. First of all, the cousin we're writing sound jealous of the pretty cousin. Alright? The girl pretty and she look good in her bathing suit, her two-piece bathing suit. So I'm jealous, you're jealous. Alright, because you don't have them there to go get a rich man. Pastor, nothing no wrong with getting a rich man. We are discouraging girl for.
It's up on mute.
Yeah, why you discouraging the girl? If she wants a rich man and a rich man wants her, so what? We're not against that.
Me not have no problem with it. My problem is with the cousin.
Me not have no problem
She
with
have her
cousin.
in the house, and pastor said, no, tell the father. So you got to trust her if it's still staying in your house and deal with your man?
Again, the problem shouldn't be with the cousin. The problem should be with the boyfriend.
But right now, what in the cousin control is the fact that she in her house. And she can't kick her out of the house.
And that not going to solve the problem because she just pick the man, so.
But the man not going to stop. The man have access to her now.
Right.
It's
so,
too late.
So,
She have to go just either share or broke up with the boy.
Share?
Me say. She don't have access to the man.
Share a banana and dumpling.
Well, him clearly not there Jamaica. So I not like she have to worry about the sex. She have to worry about the money. Wait, the money where my son come gear and the barrel and all of them something there.
As long as she get fair one, where she worry about other people for.
Exactly.
Keep your money. Listen, cousin, my pretty girl cousin, let me talk for you now. My pretty girl cousin. Let me tell you something. If the man wants you and I go mind you, make the man mind you. That's all me have to say about that. If the cousin have a problem with that, for the cousin business that.
Well, me not agree with that. A blood, we're not supposed to have one another back. When your sister and your mother and your cousin and all of them want to come sleep with your man, burn them down.
No. Pretty girl, take the man, yeah, take the man. Because clearly you have something where him want.
Blood is supposed to be thicker than water.
When you ever see that? You ever see them take blood out of your arm? You ever see it thicker? Unless it sit down there and coagulate.
No, why you have to go get all scientific?
We have to talk the thing, man, and technical.
And what?
Technical.
That's a double negative.
but listen here, we'll go back to pastor now. Pastor,
Right.
do not call people empty-headed when you don't know them. You're too judgmental. Wait till you get to your judgment. I could big up some people where Jan we are now. I could big them up. Johnny Coleman, you can't hear we now? You say you can't hear. I hope you can't hear, but welcome. I'm a cousin D. Marissa Brown. Why the voice chipping? Is it my phone? I hope it's your phone. Write and tell me if it get better now. Alright? Josette Postel, my sister-in-law, all the way in Paris, in France. Well, bienvenue. That's all the French I know.
Bienvenue and bienvenue. I don't know French at all.
Prize. Big up by you, Victor Law. Big up Carolyn. I think you're in Seattle, right? And Sophie, and my niece Trisha, and Shawanda, and Mr. Darby. The talented Mr. Darby.
50 Shades of Grey, Mr. Darby.
And Dana Lee Raymond, welcome, my darling. And your mama, to mama.
Big up my mother, Suko.
Yes, big up every time, Suko. Now we want to rope in and tell we how not go way on the situation between the two cousins.
Yes.
And
Should she share?
No. May the strongest one win.
I will survive.
May the prettiest one win.
I will survive. All right. Next one. And this is your one, because you like to talk about the fake booties
Yes, Lord
and the
Jesus.
party loans
Oh, Lord Jesus.
and how they all tied together.
Yes.
So, first of all, let me start with this. The other day, a doctor in Brazil, it on foxnews.com. Now ask me why I watch
Why you
me
watching
on
Fox News?
foxnews.com.
A fast news.
And it say fake Brazilian butt implant surgeon gunned down. The doctor was taken from her home, tied and gagged, taken from her home, put in a car, and shot in the head, and then thrown off on the side of the road. And it was in revenge of a botched surgery that she did on somebody's backside.
But stop. I couldn't resist. But stop.
And me want to know, say, why you not have to go do them things that you yourself to the point where you not have to know if you go get the doctor them because you're not so mad because the doctor batch you up and you're not ready for go kill the doctor them because you have to walk around with a batched up butt.
But let me ask you something. When we grew up, right? We big bottom was just natural.
I may never have none because them call me pancake butt, maga girl, mangy dog, and the boy them always tell me say I must come back when I develop after a couple of years.
Did you develop yet? Let me look.
Squatting. It's called squatting.
You're squatters?
I'm a squatter now.
Yes. Oh, hush.
Yes.
You
Bend
can
down
get
low, bring it back up, and then tighten it and squeeze and flex it. So I have a little bit of muscle. I don't know if you call it bottom, Maybe button, but no bottom.
Let me ask you this now.
Mm.
Because me not understand because as for me, that part of the body is well carry the most order. So one want it bigger for.
Julie.
One want it bigger for.
Me have to eat after this, you know.
There's nothing wrong with that, man.
Me no want that done to my bottom.
Why not?
Because me did done go do this. And me never like it. I'm going to go back and then take it out. So me know better now. Me won't make nobody touch no more part of my body and put nothing in it. Me never like it when it did happen the first time. And me take it out. But what them need to think about seriously, Julie, is this. When you age, your skin, it get thin.
wait, hold on. Chris said, them used to have chicken pill back then, Julie Mango. You're so right.
Chicken pill for what?
Them used to eat, grow up. You know nothing about chicken and the country you come from, Hush, and everybody
Alright.
come from country.
It's okay.
But them used to go take this up where they used to fatten the fowl them.
Them used to fatten for Jamaica before.
Yeah, man.
Never-
Yes, them used to fatten them. So but when them eat them, when them take them pill, they used to all of them body get bigger than just the bottom.
How come them never give me that? Because I could have used it when I did 12.
No, you know why they sit there.
Well, me don't want it, no.
Yeah, chicken.
Me don't want it, no.
Yeah. All right, let me tell you.
But we eat chicken now with the hormones and all of
Yes,
them
the
stuff
value,
in there.
value.
And people are get bigger and bigger.
Seymour, that better?
Shit, whoa. What you gonna do?
All right, Seymour. Tell me if it better. Tell me if it better now, Seymour. You can't tell us we are country come at all. We don't know what we are doing. We are trying.
We try a thing and a thing.
But,
We're backward, forward.
all right, Rizzy, you can't hear me now? All right, better. All right, Rizzy, welcome. Wayne, you can't hear me now? Seymour, yes? All right, good. We're good now. All right. see you
Good
now.
to go.
We could chat some more now. All right. Much better than say.
All right, the chicken pill. Them still have that?
Them still have that.
All right, good to know. I can't find it.
Whole farm.
Me go buy some and sell it on Amazon.com. I go get rich.
First of all, listen, last week we talked about chicken batty, now we talked about chicken pill. What would we have?
We have a fascination with the chicken.
Oh my God. Listen, Marlon said jump the wall. Oh my God. Listen guys, welcome. Thank you for joining us. And Wayne, find them topic here because we not gonna hold nothing back. It just got low again.
I don't know what's going on with this
understand
thing.
what going. Better? No, I cannot hear you. You can't see my pretty face though. All right, we better now? Will you tell me if this better now? I just got Rizzy, me not get low enough, me never low yet. Me always higher the mic.
All right, come back to the bottom plant them now.
Them can't hear me.
I don't know.
Them can't hear me. All right, don't not hear me now?
We're going to share the mic then.
All right, we're going to share that. We're going to share one mic. We're going to share one. Oh, Georgina said yes, it's better.
No.
All right. Forgive the technical difficulties. Yes. All right, cool. Now we're back now. So listen, this butt implanting, right? Ever since Kim Kardashian, because when we did have big butt, because I did have a little butt when I grew up, it wasn't terribly big, but it wasn't small either. They used to call it big batty girl and this and that, and it was derogatory.
Right.
All of a sudden, you never want it. All of a sudden, Kim Kardashian and Jennifer Lopez and them come and them say, oh, and Beyonce, right? But all of a sudden now, big bottom
It's popular.
is popular.
It's the thing that's in, the in thing.
Yeah.
But,
I-
but, like I was saying, when you have anything big, the titty big, when gravity take over, it reaches your knee. Someone have to start go so and flip it over on the back and then don't have a bonnet to carry it round. Your butt are going to do the same thing. And the older you get, the softer the skin gets and it's going to stretch. So anything you have in your butt, you're going to start hang down. So no one have to go wear whole stuff. All the way up here, so like Urkel with the belt.
Wait. There is, you know what? There's an upshot for an entrepreneur like me. Go build some butthole stuff.
Yes.
It's coming.
I'm saying when you have to start get the pattern now because I tell you it's coming. And them don't know because the doctor them don't tell them that. And if you get butt implants, you have to have a butt implant 401k, bum pension, butt pension.
Wait. Last week we have pum pum pension.
No, you have
This
to
is
have
a
butt pension. Because just like the titty them,
Maintenance.
exactly, you have to go in every couple of years and then you have to go lift your butt up off of the ground. And then eventually your skin gets so thin that all you can see are the butt implant in your something. Trust me, the man them will want to know because they look nice in the jeans and all of that. Want to take off on the clothes, them gonna run.
Listen, Larissa, Rizzy. Yes, my bottom mean big.
Yeah, but me not talk about real body. We are talk about people who put stuff in them bottom. Because even real body, if you're not squat and you're not exercise, it a go drop down at the back of your calf.
Bless up my cousin Carl from London and said, me no like Mission Impossible. Me no like Mission Impossible body. But Jesus, you know what the mountain for climb?
Ain't no mountain high enough. Now that them I say no.
But on a serious note, if you have money, figure get butt implant, go to a reputable source, right?
Mm-hmm.
Do not go in the motel and the garage and the back wall where them are gonna pump all kind of foolishness, including fix a flat
Oh, Jesus.
in your bottom because
Right.
it has been done, right?
Well, but better than implant. No, just because implant them not safe. Nothing no out there not really safe. But the technique what them do the liposuction if you have fat on your body and then take that out and then put that back in your bottom, that is a much safer route because you have less chance of infection and all of them something there. So
And wait a second, because part of the thing right now is in Jamaica where them people are borrow money.
oh yes.
Figure get
the party.
yes
Party loan.
and forget them surgery too.
Yes, it's
Right?
true.
And when you borrow money at Jamaica, it's a whole heap of interest you have to pay, you know? So imagine you want to get big bottom. You go take out too much in $1,000, pay how much in interest, and you don't have a place to live. And you don't have no education.
And you don't have no money for
And
sending
your-
the pit them go school
yes,
and
and your-
buy them book them.
Your future back of you. That not right. You know, if smart
you
at the
must
place,
look
man.
forward. The same amount of money one that borrow from them people, yeah? One that pay back, I don't know if a weekly, monthly. If one that take the money there and I save it towards something, one that can have something for the future. But it's like, yeah, buy food, you put it in yourself and then it's going to go away. No, you not see it again. You're more likely to have problems moving forward, such as excessive bleeding after the surgery. You have fluid buildup around the implant in your bottom, potentially leak, more surgery, nerve damage to the part where you can't walk and them chop off your foot and all of them something. People not play with them things, man. It's no joke. And if you can't afford the surgery, like one of the girls I see on Facebook, she just lay up in her house and they hold them and them something just like eat out her skin.
No, we have the perfect solution.
What?
Perfect solution. Let me tell you, what me see in our store is the padded panty them. You go buy it come like well then something that be named gurgle, but it have the padded butt.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't have to do no surgery, you just wear that when you want to look fat on the bumper.
Yeah, but if the man like the bottom and then you go give him fake bottom and when you have to take off your clothes and him say you don't have no bottom, that could be a problem for you. It's misleading.
Wait, you remember false advertising? You remember I'm gonna get you sucker?
Yes,
You
when
remember
the girl and she start up off him, she say, oh, let me take off my ear, let me take out my eye, let me take off my leg. And when him say, oh, what is and then start running, she said, don't make me hop after you.
But let me ask you this. Yeah, because it comes down to false advertising, right?
Right.
But so is this.
Yes, but when the man put him on in your head,
Mm-hmm.
him no say in your ear.
No, so you not to put your hand in my head.
Wait, you have a disclaimer over your bed,
Do
over,
not-
your,
do
over,
not-
your, over your headboard where it said, don't touch the ear. I'm here by it. You can only touch it with your bare feet.
That's it. Do not touch. But and without getting all kind of scientifical, yes, that's a word we just make up now, scientifical and all of that, right? Women, uno need uno self-esteem. You have to pick it up off of the ground, because if a man don't like you the way you are, another man for you. Right?
That's
so if
right.
you are going to get implants and this and that for the man, if you're going to get it, do it for yourself.
Right,
Don't do it for no man.
right.
All right? So that's the first thing. Second thing is, not put yourself in an on debt. You go do it. If you can't afford it, fantastic. If you can't afford it, live without it. Go buy food for your picnic them.
Party loan last year alone in Jamaica, them give out $1.6 million for the summer alone. Because
No, US, US.
1.6 million US.
US, guys. 1.6 million
And
Jamaican and
Jamaican.
nothing.
That's
Yes.
a whole heap of money.
Yes.
But them a do it themselves for the look for the Appleton Temptation Isle,
Mhm.
on them a bashment,
Mhm.
and then do the dream weekend parties them.
Mhm. But guess what now? You don't need no collateral for get a party loan. And you know why you don't need no collateral?
Cause don't keep coming back.
Exactly. And that has
It's like a crack.
it's a crack. And the people them where loan out the money,
Mhm.
you know how much percent them a charge?
Woolly?
Only it's like 30-40%.
40%.
That's
And
insanity.
them said the biggest number of people who took out them loan there are women between 21 and 35 years old.
And I know education.
And them say, just FYI, them say, Mandeville have a better payback rate than Kingston. So, Kingston people pay on the bills.
All right.
Pay back the people them their money. And I walk around with the people them clothes. And I walk around with the people them bottom.
And here. Don't
And
forget the
here. Pay
Don't
back,
forget the
on
here.
the pay back on the money.
Yes. We're gonna read some of the comments now. From the Derriere post. From the Palabakawe post. Chris Wilby say, me love the natural one them though. And Carl's we read Carl alone already. And Chris say, no false bottom around here. Well, Chris, how about a flat bottom or a no bottom?
A flat tire bottom.
Carl said, me no like plastic woman. Me like real woman. A real woman with like a plastic man. And Dana Lee says, can you get it on layaway? You actually can, as long as you pay the balance before the surgery. They actually do have layaway.
Oh,
Payment
what am I
plans.
call it? Yeah.
Oh, no, lead girl. Larissa said, it's a matter of insecurities are keeping up with the trends. Body part should not be trending.
I know, right?
Should not be trending.
The only body part on supposed to do is not for vanity. If you need a heart replacement, if you need a kidney replacement, an eyeball replacement, them something that makes sense.
Hold on there. Rizzy. We not forget the tight one, them man. Rizzy say, no, Julie, them ship out at times. That's talking about the padded ones. You have to get one tight one, man, and then put on one gurgle on top of it and hold it in a
so
place.
when I hold it and you rubber dub and I feel it up enough, I say, oh, one line there, so I want that in your bottom.
And
What Georgina said?
Georgina said, no, doctor said you have to pay before the surgery. Absolutely, but you
But them get
put
the
a
loan and
payment
them go
plan.
pay fees.
Yeah, man. And then put
And
it on a
some
payment
people
plan.
on a payment plan. Even in America, them have payment plan.
And Dana Lee, D. Lee says, what about dentures?
Dentures is a necessity. You have it true. Me know one woman named Miss Tiny. Back in the day, she used to sell mango. Living it with her. And Miss Tiny never have no teeth. And when Miss Tiny I eat, Miss Tiny I'll chew bone and she just put out. So dentures, you can live without dentures. But if you want a pretty smile, then yes, buy your teeth.
You
Your
know,
gum strong, man. Gum strong. You ever have somebody gum you down? It hurts. Try it.
Smoky.
Smoky. I know.
But Dwayne says, some body so big, that's them need, them one zip code. When Sunday tell them, say, Fiala, well, no, when Smarty tell them, say, Fiala, them have to make 2 trips because them can't fit in the jeans. Dwayne, make you mash up the people them so, man. Oh my God, and Carl said, the man them today, I'll go carry on with same foolishness or false this and false that. Well, uno wear toupee. A long time the man them wear toupee.
Yes, I wear fake hair a long time.
Yes.
When I wear fake hair. So now come with that. I want to start the weaving business. Because when I saw like, Lord, me hair gone, me only 25, why me have this bald spot on it? And you just No, not spray it on. No, not use the black beeswax.
Please
And,
do
like,
not.
like Jeremy and Jackson. And people I look on them and go, I hear that? You not even know what it is no more.
Please do not get caught in the rain if you spray your
They're
hair.
here. But you remember all the man them used to complain, say, when woman come in the house, them can't use white sheet because they leave all of the
Right,
makeup.
right.
No, your man come in your bed and you leave all this black stuff.
So buy black
You have
sheet.
the black sheet. But me and said, me don't want to see that on my sheet them. If you ever come touch it, me she bring your own sheet and take it with you when you leave.
Buy a black sheet, man. Just give the man a black sheet. it will hide it. Bless up Sabrina, my pretty niece. She pretty, see? Sabrina. Diana, my sister. A fair niece that too, you know. Sabrina is fair
yeah?
niece too. Yeah, man. Hey, Diana said, hey, Jules. Big up Tony. Big up Lionel again from France. Yes, I don't know where they are. So I don't know where you are these days. And Emily. Bless up Denise. Say, hi, Jules. Hi, Commissioner. Seymour says, everybody has their preference, but I saw one so big it looked like a bookshelf. Well read.
Hey! All right, time for
Well
you to get
read.
to the funeral people business.
Oh,
them now.
yes.
What did I talk to me about last night?
Yes, so, all right, so there was an article in the paper, and I wish I could show you guys, but I can't. And apparently, this woman in a white sheer top, see-through blouse, got a funeral, and pastor put her out. So she's inappropriately attired for the funeral. And
Was it our boyfriend or somebody in the casket?
me no know.
But
They
maybe she
never
want to give him one last look before then put him on the ground. Pastor should not have denied the dead. This is not about the pastor. This is about the people that are living after the person dead. And maybe when the man was alive, him did like the woman breast. And she show up at church and just give him one last look. Why the pastor interfere with them?
Wait, then I'm supposed to dump him in gear last week. What? Okay, all right, so listen now. Pastor, you're wrong. Because the Bible says, render your heart and not your garment.
Right, but she not come to save our soul. She'll come to say goodbye to our loved one.
And I think in Jamaica in general, we have this obsession with this primitive Victorian people picking up there wear maxi frock go to school.
Wait, but the Bible say, come as you are.
They know so?
Come as, and she here.
Pastor did not trust himself.
So the pastor can't pick and choose what he wants out of the Bible. Then they want to come tell you she's a virtuous woman. But if she determined that a virtuous woman should write it to them, then there's confusion for the people.
Pastor couldn't trust himself.
Right,
that's why.
Yeah,
that's why I
man.
put her out. And me see the titty them and they made sit up so.
Listen.
They made sit up so.
Pastor put her out and then him slip her him card and say, call me after the funeral.
Maybe I should kill him, man.
Lord,
Maybe I should kill
but
him,
and
man.
not only clothes, people do a lot of inappropriate things when them their funeral.
Our church?
And them say, you hear people in the church ask people how much money they did have and who them leave the money to. Then them ask the people in the church if them can get something during the funeral, if them can get something out of the people them also then instead the last time them call a birthday party. And
They
then
were wrong with that.
And on top of that too, on a thief the dead them. Some man a got a funeral and a thief off the people them fake eyelashes off of them eye top, but them
They don't need it.
expensive and them make out of fur.
But then no need where
Them
them
a
go.
show up at the wake early before everybody a come. Them go take off the people 24 karat fingernail tips them.
Right.
And them also take off them what? Them lace front wig.
Wait. So who are going to see it where them I go?
But me I say when the people them show up for the wake, the eyelash gone, the lace front wig gone.
It's all right, because him not knowing dead. She dead. She don't know.
But the family them a go come and them put them loved one together and the people them a go read. Usually people wait till them put them in the ground and then them dig them up and take the something them off of the
But
people.
here's a
No, them I take it off of the people then before the service even starts.
Here's the problem, is that Jamaicans with priorities are all mixed up, right? Because when there's a cemetery in a Nato Bay where it look like you have graves, which is kind of a sad thing because you have graves that will look like Disney World. So it shows you the age of the people them. But that's not the point I'm trying to make. The point I'm trying to make is we go take out, again, we're going back to these loans and these things, right? Funeral are big business at Jamaica now.
Right.
There's no more reverence. There's no more, it's all about showing off. Who have gold casket. We have bury people in a gold and with money. You got to bury them with money.
And you see the video the other day with the people that walk down the street, right? And them I carry the casket, you know. And the speaker up on the truck.
Yes. Yes.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah.
So them I try dance with the casket and the body
Yes.
inside, I rock,
Yeah.
and the person I look down and I say, stop, shake up my body.
You
When
can't talk, man.
I say up there, so I look down and say, stop, shake up my body. Because them can't hold the casket because them not busy. Some of them probably hype on weed, them have a few drinks, white women of them, and them a dance and the casket almost turn over.
But it
We
is-
don't have no sense enough.
We don't have no sense, but it's all right because you know what that means for me? They're celebrating that person. So
Yes.
it's not this mournful
Yeah, man,
samba.
that's how we do it.
Yeah.
Our night them after chain.
Yeah.
Yeah, but some of things too, them people that do at church, if on a heavy set, I have no problem with big people. I love big people, fluffy people. But Jamaica hot. We no need for a walking and stacking and the legs them are rub together and I walk down the aisle like all the ears are there. Shh,
I'm going to start fire.
It's like hearing your fingernail punch chalkboard. And when you start get up on a talk about on a mother and a talk about say, and I'm a mother teach me how to wind up myself. And I'm a mother teach me how to catch man. And I'm a mother teach me how to cook. When I get up and say something better about on a mother, when I get up and say them things, those things are not nice. It might be true, but keep that in the family. Now share it.
No, man, sometimes you have to shame them into doing better.
All right, well, me just do it. Wanna stop it. But if this is for the future people, them, because if your mother gone, we're sorry, God bless our soul. But for the future people, them, just keep that in mind. Say something else nice about your mother. Or she love you and she care for you.
That's
and
why
was
she never
there and
love you.
support. You can't say that too. That a things too are changing now when people used to come up and give fake news about them family them. And talk about oh them was good and they
And
were
wonderful.
wonderful and they did all these wonderful things and everybody stood on there so I can't the same person when me know them I talk about.
That old take it right
that
there.
was a rich old Jezebel, old Virago.
Oh, you remember that the one day?
My grandfather used to call me that for a regular.
Jesus. Oh my God. Seymour says, whoa, people are still practicing the night thing. A big business at Jamaica. Big business where, again, they go borrow money, or thief, or beg, but them have to outdo. And it's, you know, I think it's that thing where we have to show, say, we can't bury we dead. Right? We can't do this and we can't do that. But I want to know what the guys think about the girl in a church in our see-through frock and pastor put see-through top. It wasn't the frock, the top. And no brassiere. No brassiere.
That's why I say father slip arm can.
And pastor put her out. So she didn't get to mourn our love, the passing of our loved one. Just because pastor says she inappropriately dressed. So,
Anybody are coming with no comments about that yet?
no, we want to hear on the thoughts.
On the thoughts on that? As if on an right team, if you have to just assume, say, someone out there do it now.
Oh my God.
I just want me feel.
I don't think nobody have a right to judge where you wear, but that's just me. Cause I do understand that Jamaica is very, very conservative on the one hand, and on the other hand, you have women that put a light pan them pum pum in a party. So we want to know on the thoughts on this. So rope in.
So then, me ready, you know? Me ready for talk about the dolly them.
Oh Jesus
Oh,
Christ!
not Dolly, and a Dolly.
Well, I'm quick acknowledge. Donna Marie, welcome. Novelette, she said, hi, Julia and Karen. Wagwan, my girl. Hector Parks, Judith Cunningham, Tanda. Welcome, my girl. Oh, Lord Jesus. So here doing. Me never hear nobody chat nothing bad about dead people at funeral. When them did wicked. Here lies the most wicked...
No. No, that's a trend we can start. Just start go to the funeral them and tell the truth about the people them. Cleanse on yourself.
One last time.
Yes, tell the truth. Shame the devil.
Yes.
Because they're going to show up there and try pretend to St. Peter. And him have to hear, you know, it's like when I send text guy Evan, make them know, say, no, sir, that one they need a redo. Send them back down here, so. But send them back in the 17th century.
Don't you know, sir, heaven them go.
Heaven, hell, whatever them believe in. But me don't know, say the woman, well, would want to take her eyelashes them off her eye. She not going to make a guy even because she can't see where she'll go.
She don't need them, man. She don't need them.
Well, you don't think you're going to be fabulous?
No, she's selfish.
What do you mean? I know she put them on herself, so she's selfish.
The people who do that selfish, donate it to a living person.
I want to use them on herself.
Ah.
Come, Julie, come talk about the sex robot them.
All right.
The sex bots, as they're called.
Yeah, the sex bots. Let me see now. Give me this. No, let me see if I can read. No, you have to go read it. No?
Oh, yeah, I them.
Yeah.
All right.
They say love is no, you read this in thing.
All right. So, the other day on Dr. Oz, they were talking about the rise of the sex bots, right? So these are silicone, human-like forms or whatever you want to call them that look like real men and real women. But for the woman, them have the one them with the bionic penis. And
no Viagra needed.
No Viagra needed. No brakes. They can go as long as you want them to, and they don't get tired until if you come off of me. They say love is blind, but can it be synthetic? So, I'm a Virgo, and I like this idea, and I'll get to it in a minute and tell you why. Right?
Clean.
Yes, they're clean. But one time I did have sex with a Rasta man.
Smokey?
No. Please don't tell Smokey that, because then probably will never leave me alone. Yeah. The man get hot in his head, right, Julie? And they ear hang down, and you can't see the sweat them come down.
Lord Jesus.
Sweating on my eye. Sweating on my eye. Then sweat start dropping on your nose. And then sweat start dropping on your mouth. I swear to God, I felt like I was drowned.
You must retire that word. You don't remember?
And then the ear. I flash and I whip me back and forth. I whip me here, back and forth. I whip me here, back and forth. I swear to God, it feel like I was in the jungle, not the Amazon. I needed a raincoat and I needed a machete to chop the bush them where box me up. So, I'm thinking I'm going to put an order in for a Rastaman. And the ear, I'm going to stay in a place. There's no sweat. You're not going to feel like me
drowned.
Me drowned. I'm not going to call him stiff dread. Because the ear, I'm going to stay in a place and it not going to move. Thank you very much. So for that, and then the armpit, them no green.
Lord
it not have no
Jesus.
odor. You not feel worry about the cleanliness down in that area. So for me, I think this is a good idea. And I have other reasons why too. So me want to hear your views on this.
How can it be a good idea? Yeah, where you're going to replace the emotions.
It's not a replacement, it's a substitute.
So we are going to do about the real deal now.
Listen, man, sometimes you want a thing where you don't have to ask it when it's done to come out of your house.
Might I suggest you raise the bar?
And you not have to feed them and cook them breakfast in the morning.
You have to feed them because you have to plug them in. Them are going to name up your electricity.
Okay, you have like electricity, so, but that at least you have to have your food bill not go down. So you take the money we're going to decrease on the food bill and you pay the electricity.
All right, the only way me I subscribe to that is if them cook and clean.
No, them not do that.
No,
Them can't do that. Them can't do that. That's why you still need the man, because
Right.
you're going to still need somebody to put in the light bulb and change the tire for your car.
Right.
And all them stuff.
And you not give him none, you take it, go get the robot.
But I'm just saying, if you're on a regular schedule with that, the one, then you can decrease the schedule.
Me that tired, me that tired.
You're that no, but you're tired. Because the bionic thing, no, it work. You can't just, for once, no, we
Just
can't
lay
just
down,
lay
sir.
down.
Lord Jesus.
And we're not to move. We're not to help them. You know what I say?
All right, listen now, but what happened with the love? and the tenderness and the sweet talk in her ears.
Overrated.
Like, no, man. I truly,
Overrated.
wait. Dealey said, my girl, you got whipped.
For sure.
Oh, my God.
For sure. See, when me get my Rastaman on, him come out of my box and me see him, I go say, your hair look good and your skin look nice.
I would have there with you.
Finally have my prize. I would have there with you. Me, I go there with you. Me, I go there with you.
Oh, my God. Dwayne say, while y'all at it, please tell them to stop sending chain messages to people I threaten about if them not share Jesus, I go take with them blessing. Newsflash, Jesus not have Facebook account.
And Facebook account.
Oh, God.
Jesus is not watching the show. Trust me, my better things to do.
Who tells say now watch? He's omnipresent.
Yeah, but him not care about this.
In care.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, you go before
Watch him
me.
out. Watch him out.
You go before me.
Novelet Morris said, dying with laughter. No, sir. Dealey says, still don't want peer dead. Me can't read patois, but queer. You remember more good than bad. Oh, them, yes. Dwayne, me agree with you. Fire for Bob. Fire upon him, because you know when he short circuit. Can't make water catch him.
Me go blow up like all the people in face a blow up with them iPhone. No.
Yeah, yes.
But this is some pros to having that, for real. Them are going to smell good. You can't live out your fantasy with them.
No, but you can't tell them what to do.
But them that's the whole point. Them can't reject what you want. Them have to
And can't stand up? And just lay down so.
You can't have them stand up. You can't have them any way you want them. So that's the good thing. You get certain man and them say, Lord, me have back pain. Me can't hold you up so against the wall.
You can't flip you and somersault you.
Them dep on them knee hurt. Them no one bend down on them knee. You know, I'm just saying. There's certain, no, you can't probably, you cheating probably gonna be less. Because if your man want a certain thing and you don't inna that, right?
And go look it out a road.
Mm. But no, you can't give him another girl who go inna the house and you can't see what she do. And like the cousin, you have to worry about she try to keep the man.
No, she not. No, the man replace. The man replace.
You were talking about love and all them something.
Yes, I want love and I want somebody hold me so.
Right.
I mean, mind the sweat I drip down a little bit.
But if you have a good imagination, you can take yourself there.
Me don't want to employ my imagination all that way. Too much work.
Julie, you complain about everything we have working night.
Me want them whisper sweet nothing. Cause you know, especially the Jamaican man, they all them out sweet. Me want to hear some sweet something, man.
Well, you can have a recording because them can't talk. And you can make them settings to you where you want to hear, where your man won't tell you. And you know another thing, you have no blackmail. Right?
What make him
like
off a black? What make we ban the black one?
No white male. It's cheaper to keep her, so no divorce. The only other problem them say them have with is that the crazy one them are gonna get practice off a torture the real one them. So they can't practice on it or they want you can have them something. Eh? So that's a downside. And another thing them do is talk about 2 years, the intimacy and no human connection.
Yes.
But sometimes the world just overpopulated. More people need to just stay in them yard.
My
They ain't have to worry about them on the street.
Who do you so?
And for the man them, look at the bright side. You have no honeydew list. Your woman not gonna complain, she not gonna nag you, she not gonna run your mouth, and she not gonna give you 1,000,001 things to do around the house. Think about it.
No. Me need the lover dub, me need the rubber dub. Me sure say they can't rubber dub and all them things there. Me need somebody who can hold me and dance with me. No. And what happen when they short circuit? And you sweat catch them and then start fire all over you.
Oh, be optimistic.
No. All right, we're going to do some shout out. We're going to do some shout out. Pauline McLean, love you ladies, giving me enough laughter. Great job. Sharon Swaby Clark said, dying with laughter. Anise McDougall said, funny. She's watching from Scotland. Big up. Christine Taylor, pastor couldn't take the heat. So in coincidence, send you man out of the kitchen. Georgina Ross said, back in the day, they used to buy people from Spanish Town Road to go funerals and cry.
Oh, you mean the paid mourners?
Yes. Christine Taylor, it's a funeral. And if our breasts wasn't long and wither up, nothing did wrong. Christine, I couldn't agree with you more. I saw God make her or our plastic surgeon. but them nice and perky can me did see them.
Oh.
Yes,
Okay.
me fast in everybody business. Marcia
Nosy.
McLean, agree, render your heart, not your garment, but as a person, she should have known what's appropriate for church. She didn't need the pastor's comments. Heather Blair, is that you, Miss Julie Mango? I'm me, Heather. Good afternoon. Leo glasses you have on? Not this week. Me go find one of Walgreens. Heather, Miss Cherry, good afternoon. Hello, Miss Cherry. Karen,
Yes.
that are you, man.
Miss Cherry.
Yes.
From which part?
Hello, Miss Cherry, good afternoon. That's what Heather said.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, oh, she might be talking about someone who's
Oh, yeah,
watching.
find the
Yes.
chairman.
All right, so listen, guys. We'll keep the comments. We love the interaction. Clearly, we don't have no sense. we did that at the back of the line when sense I give away.
We never want it.
No.
We did it on the funny line.
Yes.
We want the laugh line. So, before we come off, remember I talked to you the other day, this morning, somebody write this thing probably about 4 years ago, before all of them.
Hold on, I mean before we come off. I saw time up already?
Almost 10
Lord
minutes.
Jesus.
So, me they write this thing about 4 years ago, before all of the killing them. Because me they go somewhere and somebody did a talk about Jamaica, and them did a talk, and it was a Jamaican. And them that talk negatively about Jamaican and the beggy and all of them something they from yard. I'm going to write this little thing and I want to say it before I come off because, you know, we like to end with something
Positive.
kind of positive. So I'm going to read it. So I'm going to go down. So it go like this. Mr. Me nah leave Jamaica. For some people, Jamaica just a place to score some weed.
What's wrong with that?
To others, it's a paradise to chill and find some peace. Me, it's me home, the soul that is in me. The black, the gold, and the green. Black for the people and the soil. America's been good to me, but two wrongs not make right, you see? The two countries are undercover shutters, see? It's just that Jamaica operate on a third world frequency. We've got the guns, the crime industries. We can't control the murders in the streets. Numbers higher than Blue Mountain highest peak. Our youth's innocent treated like slaughtered meat. On arrival, I got the message loud and clear. Why Marcus Garvey wanted to get the hell up out of here. He went down south to check it out, illuminated and scared. He flee back north where he still had some clout. Me say me nah leave Jamaica. Rastas playing dominoes, Natty Dread getting blazed through a coconut attached to a piece of hose. Them not eat no jerk chicken or pork. For them, everything is strictly ital. No joke. Jah live, children, yeah. Music blasting through the speakers. Peter touched Bob Marley and the Wailers. Jimmy Cliff, Grace Jones, Yellowman, and anyone in a steel band. Kids are rubber dub up against the wall. The euphoria before the fall. The scene always end the same. Mark when a boxing marker upside his head. Shut up, boy, before me give you something for ball bout. When you hear from the shout, him act like a done in the street, but this night she's screaming, why you piss up the sheets? Lord God will rub that one in for weeks. Me nah leave Jamaica. Blue waters, majestic sunsets. Roast breadfruit, ackee and saltfish. Red stripe fried dumpling and callaloo. You know I hear me, I tell you. You don't understand. Rice and peas with something brown stew. Tasty patty that bun your mouth. Is what wrong with you know? Me nah leave Jamaica. Me born straight at Jubilee Hospital. Surrounded by a tribe of rebel warriors. Franklin Town Heritage 1A, Lower York Street. Born Kingstonian. This girl never back down from no one. Age 10, them shot and killed my best friend. God know one day we'll climb the mango tree again. No woman, no cry. America has my body, Jamaica has my heart. Until death, Jaja know that from the start. Respect.
Nah, I left Jamaica.
Me not leave Jamaica. All right. Some more
to
comments before we have to sign off.
No, quick welcome to Linda, my auntie from London.
London.
And Cheryl and Rosie, welcome. Let me go over to the next one and see if we have no final comments, because I think we have to go. We have to go say till next time. We don't say goodbye, no. My granny always said, do not ever say goodbye. We say little more, but we're not ready to say little more yet.
I see you.
Let me just heal up some more people. I think we got that. Christine, Anise, bless up. Heather, you're back. Yes, I. And just know that we are probably the #1 Jamaican people, lovers of Jamaica right now, even though we live in America. Me is what you call the peacock Jamaica, because me always a big up Jamaica. So that piece spoke to me personally. Let me chat my patois. That piece speak to my heart, soul, and body. When you think me not going to say something else. I have manners.
Heavy manners.
Heavy manners, me under. But we thank you guys for joining us, for laughing with us.
We appreciate you tuning in and supporting us. And Julie is experiencing some difficulties with her eyes, and the bright lights actually hurt her. So she's sitting here right now because we promised you guys that we would be back, and we didn't want to let you down. So we decided to come in and show up for you guys. But if she's not feeling any better next week, we may have to take a break so she can get that situation solved. So we actually set up our Facebook page, but and we're trying to build content on that. So if you like, you can go and see us at. No, Julie, you can't say that. That's not right. What you do with the paper?
You see, can't see. Blind eye, I get trouble.
You just go to what is it? /
Just go up on Facebook and look up Jam and Tell. Jam, JAMN Tell. So Jam and Tell. So look way up and share some vibes and things.
And we're actually going to be doing a video series. So we're going to be asking you guys to submit from Jamaica's funny videos. And we're going to upload. And every week we're going to nominate one as the funniest one. And for that one, we're going to call it Skin Your Teeth. And the one that we didn't think was all that good, we're going to call it Push Up Your Mouth. Try come back again. And for that, you guys can email us at jamandtell@gmail.com. Submit your videos and help us. We actually want our audience to help us build our Facebook page. So whatever you submit to us, if we like it,
keep it clean.
Keep it clean. You ain't gonna be up there saying, all right, man, so you submit this and put it up there, and then you go say something else whenever a good like for you one, and that make it. We're not starting no controversy, and this is not the Oscars. Everybody's gonna get a fair shake, but the two we are gonna get to decide that. Yeah. So again, thank you guys. Any more comments coming in from
I just want to big up Seymour. And really everyone who joined us. But let me just explain very quickly. I know we got to go, right? But very quickly, I have what's called VKH. And VKH is an autoimmune disease that attacks my eyes. Well, which means they're completely inflamed, back, front, side, up, so down, so all around. So when I have a flare-up, which I'm having a flare-up, the headaches are intense. The eye them hurt like hell. It come like somebody take a pin and a juke me in my eye them. And when it's really bad, like it was a couple of days ago, they're like bloodshot red. That's how inflamed they are. And so the light is no good because it's like getting, like someone sticking, just the light is like someone sticking a needle in my eye. So from time to time, I do get those flare-ups, even though the medication, I may try the natural thing and the CBD oil and immune suppressants and all that stuff. I still do get a flare-up from time to time. So You have to bear with me. Sometimes I can't see. I don't say I can't read because I go to school. I'm a graduate too. Graduate. So I go to school. So from time to time, I will have a flare up. And I beg your indulgence. And Lord Jesus, Dwayne, what Dwayne say? Dwayne Brown say, by the way, me and Dwayne come from way back. We got from basic school days. Dwayne say, me we be your seeing eye dog. Because we don't know.
Because one have to send me a dogs.
Men are dogs. All right, I'll take that. Me I go take you up on that, you know. All right, so I beg you no indulgence and no patience because sometimes I can't see if you read and the eye them hat me too bad sometimes.
So once again, you guys can go to facebook.com/ for Gem and Tell. And then for our email, it's gemntell@gmail.com to submit your videos.
And for those who can't read, it's JAMNTELL @gmail.
Don't PR no mind. So, wanna walk good, eat good, live good.
Take care of one another.
Take care of one
Or
another.
else.
See you when we see you. We'll have Leo announce when we'll be back. And when we come back, we're going to have a whole different thing going on for you guys. Much appreciated. One love.
One love.